So I've got a new battery. It's exactly the same. It's an 850 milliampere hour Turnigy Nanotech. I've got 97% charge in it. Now this has to go, as I said, I tested this all out. That's right to the front now. Let's get this receiver as far forward of the CFG as I can. Okay, CFG's there. Throttle cuts on, that's okay. Let's plug her in. Oh no, there you go. Alright, let's try it again. Yeah, the funny thing was, on stabilisation mode I had next to no aileron control, it just wouldn't turn. So I'm going to try that again, but with high rates. But with high rates without stabilisation, it's nuts. So I have to remember in what order to switch. So this hasn't changed, that's good.
High rate.
Right.
Stability mode.
Nothing, and that's because I haven't blipped the throttle.
Throttle cut on.
Okay, we'll take off on high rates, then I will switch to mid rates and turn stability off. Fun, eh? Wind's getting up. Okay, Hobby King, Hawker Hurricane, take 2, Maiden +1. See what we can do with this.
Throttle cut off.
Taken off. Yeah, I've got nothing. Brains.
AS3X mode.
Yeah, I cannot fly her on stability mode. She's climbing again. Oh, let's just calm her down. Oh, that's hands off. Obviously the wind's affecting her. Yeah, got gusts of wind. The wind just really picked up just now. Oh, my eyes are watering, I'm crying. I'm not crying, but I am, if you see what I mean. This is better. Climbs into wind, that's for sure. I don't know if it's me or the plane, it just seems far more touchy compared to the others in this range. It'd be interesting to hear from anyone who's got one and if they've had the same feeling. It might just be me being rusty because I haven't flown for quite a while. Oh, I've got tears running down my eyes. Oh! Trying to do it one-handed, Martin. Whew. Trying to do it one-handed, Martin. Whew. What an idiot. Oh, let's not mess around here. Let's just calm down. Do some nice flying. It's the wind that really brings it round fast. Nice scale turned. There we are. Now dare I try her on a loop. Let's get her up a bit. Yeah, nice loop, nice loop. Let's try for a roll. The rolls are a bit lazy, but they're okay. Bear in mind I am on my mid-rates. I'll go over here, a bit of height, we'll do a left roll. Yeah, okay. It's alright. Slow it down a bit into wind. Bring up by, nice and steady. Okay, it's time to land. Bring up by, nice and steady. Okay, it's time to land. Okay, landing. Oh yes, she didn't tip up. Haha. Okay, there we go.
Throttle cut on.
Retrieving. Oh, it's cold, 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 cold. But I really have no control on stability mode. There's just no response to her at all, even on high rates. I don't know what that is. The others responded but was sluggish. This just doesn't respond. It just wants to go straight. But the coating, the clear coat's worked. The water's all in beads on it, which is good. Yeah. Oh, my nose is running, my eyes are watering. Ah. But I'm happy. Let's get the battery out. Oh, it's a better flight, although it's a bit dodgy at times. Another warm battery. Yeah, 29%. And they're at 3.7s again. So the timing's just right, 5 minutes and land. So I might set it to 4.5 minutes and land. It's not long, is it? Never mind. So thanks for watching, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you on another video. Cheers!